Welcome to my channel. Angelina Jolie Venice Film Festival 2024. Angelina Jolie's appearance at the Venice Film Festival was stunningly elegant and sophisticated. Her choice of a brown chiffon gown, adorned with intricate diamond-shaped stitching, was a testament to her refined taste and attention to detail. The gown's classic silhouette was modernized by the unique design elements, creating a look that was both timeless and contemporary. Jolie completed the ensemble and paired the gown with matching heels, seamlessly tying together her overall appearance. The coordinated accessories added a touch of polish and sophistication, further enhancing her already impeccable style. Jolie's ability to effortlessly combine classic elements with modern trends is a hallmark of her fashion sense, making her a true style icon. Arriving at the iconic Hotel Excelsior by boat, Jolie exuded effortless grace and charisma. As she disembarked, she flashed her trademark warm smile, captivating the hearts of the gathered crowd. Her stylish sunglasses added a touch of chic to her overall look, reflecting her relaxed yet sophisticated vibe. Jolie's magnetic presence and effortless elegance were on full display, reminding everyone of her enduring appeal. Which Angelina Jolie look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content on the world's biggest stars and the latest red carpet moments.